Hello Taurus! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. And welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Thank you so much, Taurus. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga energies and messages for Taurus, please? Energies and messages for Taurus. Chaser. Okay. Merong chaser. I don't want to chase anymore. Okay. Napapagod ka na, Taurus, or yung person mo napapagod na, kakahabol sa inyo. Okay? Maybe merong silent treatment sa relationship. Okay? May nanunuyo pero hindi pinapansin. You are not giving attention to your person, holding back. I should have expressed myself better. Meron ganyan. Okay? Merong absence. I feel like a part of me is missing without you. Nalulungkot ang person ninyo, Taurus. Maybe you are in a long-distance relationship. Naalala ka ng person ninyo, Taurus? Or it's the other way around? Reminiscent, yeah. I miss our inside jokes. Yes, merong nami-miss. Okay. Naaalala ka niya, tinitingnan niya yung mga pictures ninyo dati. Okay. Yung mga moments, mga happy times ninyo together. Okay. Siguro inaantay ka niya, or this is the other way around. Okay, so far ito yung mga messages, energies. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot. Taurus, please. Taurus. Oops. What? Okay. 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 Someone is waiting, okay? Or merong silent treatment, merong boredom na nangyayari, boredom, okay? Gusto, maybe yung iba sa inyo gusto pa ng another chance or second chance ng person ninyo sa inyo, but you don't know what to do anymore, okay? Okay. Merong disappointment, merong frustrations na nangyayari. You feel that you are moving forward, okay? You are moving on, Taurus. Sa iyong dreams, sa mga ambisyon mo, Okay? Gusto mong abutin kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari. Namamayagpag ka ngayon sa inyong ginagawa. Okay? You are doing well sa inyong work. Your person wants to have another chance with you or gusto magkaroon ng opportunity na ibalik or i-rekindle ang relationship. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe your person is missing someone. Another person. Yeah. Parang pinapakita ng person mo sa inyo na parang bored siya. Okay? Merong silent treatment, hindi nag-uusap. Walang kibuan na nangyayari sa inyong relationship. Okay? Something like that. Yeah. Your person is driven into something. Okay? Maybe there is a new love. Meron siyang naalala or iniisip. And this is something na very disappointed ka, heartbroken ka sa nangyari or sa nangyayari sa inyong relationship. Okay? You feel that your person, may mga iniisip siya, okay, na hindi maganda or merong gumugulo sa isip niya, wala siyang peace of mind. Okay. For some of you, you don't know what will happen. Merong uncertainty sa inyong relationship. Naghahanap ka, nakikiramdam, naghahanap ka ng mga information, nagsispy, okay, kung anong nangyayari sa person ninyo. Okay, pinapakiramdaman mo siya, inoobserbahan. Okay. Also, merong ego dito sa situation. Parang ayaw mo din iparamdam sa kanya or sabihin kung anong nararamdaman mo. Ayaw mong i-express or sabihin sa kanya that you are disappointed. Okay. You have to let go. Kung ano man kung meron kang control issues, ano man yung ginagawa ng person mo, you feel na parang kailangan mo i-let go, parang ina-accept mo na lang yung current circumstance and tingnan kung ano na lang yung mangyayari sa susunod. Pero may heartbreak and disappointment. Yeah. Hindi ganun ka-expressive or hindi ina-express, sinasabi ng person mo sa inyo kung what's going on with him or her. Parang sekreto niya lang to, siya lang ang nakakaalam. He or she is bored. Okay. Maybe there is a new person. Parang may gusto siyang i-express na love. Or he or she is falling in love to another person. Taurus. Somehow, may alam ka. Okay? Ramdam mo yun. The charger. Yeah, maybe you are dealing with someone who is a fire sign, okay, a Sagittarius, or maybe a Cancer person, okay. Yeah, parang yung person mo, binabalanse niya lang din ang emosyon niya, kinokontrol, kasi ayaw niyang malaman mo or ayaw niyang magpahalata. And he or she is also just waiting for the right timing. Maybe for some of you, gusto niyang umalis, pero nag-aantay lang siya ng tamang panahon, tamang opportunity. Okay. Binabalanse niya lang ang sitwasyon sa ngayon. Kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, merong in love siya into someone, minomoderate, binabalanse niya lang yung sarili niya, okay, yung nararamdaman niya, yung totoong nararamdaman. Mhm. Yeah. Gusto ng person mo, may gusto siyang alamin. May ini-stalk din siya, okay? Stalking, spying on someone else. Nagre-research, kumukuha ng mga information, ano yung mga pwedeng gawin, okay? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Or tinitingnan niya, may tinitingnan siyang iba. Online, okay? Social media, internet, may in-spy. Oops. Yeah. Your person is really in love with someone, okay? Parang ngayon niya lang to naramdaman. Masaya siya sa kanyang nararamdaman sa ngayon. Okay? Ito yung mga energies. Merong something na maire-reveal, okay? Na magsishake ng foundation. Okay? Nine of Cups. Your person feels happy, okay? But he or she doesn't want to show it to you. Hangman, bakit may hangman? Nine of Cups. You also seem that you don't care, Taurus, okay? Para may pride and ego din with you or in you, Taurus. Ayaw mo din sabihin sa kanya that you are affected. Instead, you are showing that you are okay. Pero naobserbahan mo yung person ninyo, Taurus. Yeah. You are just accepting the current situation. But deep inside, you are hurt. You are depressed. You are in pain. Okay? Third party, cheating. Something is happening. Okay? With your person. This is for some of you, okay? Take what resonates, Taurus, or maybe this is the other way around. Ikaw to, and this is your person. Yeah, 10 of Swords. You just want to get out from this situation, Taurus, okay? There is lies, betrayal, deception. Backstabbing na nangyayari. You want a fresh start, a new start, okay? Yeah. Yeah. But sometimes it's all in the mind, Taurus. Kaya mo yung situation, okay? If you want to end the situation, meron kang kakayahan to get out from this situation, okay? Soon you will get the truth. The truth will be revealed. Magkakaroon din ng clarity ang situation. Seven of Cups. Choices, options. Parang you don't know kung anong mangyayari. Okay? Yeah. Nag-iisip ka ng mga options mo in the future or sa current situation mo ngayon. Parang ang daming kumugulo sa isip mo, hindi mo maintindihan ang iyong nararamdaman. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Healing is needed in your situation, Taurus. Okay? Kailangan din ng pag-uusap. You have to say kung ano yung nararamdaman mo. Yeah. You need to talk about options or about sa situation ninyo. Okay? Paglilin lang or whatsoever, kailangan ng clarification. There must be healing and forgiveness at the same time and let go. Yung control issues. Be kind to yourself, Taurus. Okay? Okay. Yeah. Multiple options. Okay. Kailangan i-address ang concern, Taurus. Kailangan mo sabihin kung anong nararamdaman mo. Okay. Be honest to yourself. Be kind to yourself. And healing is needed for you to move on. Clear your mind para makapag-isip ka ng maayos. Okay. Yeah. You need to get up, Taurus. Okay. For some of you, this is the other way around, kabaliktaran. This is your person. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo alam kung anong naramdaman ng person mo. Pinapakita niya na gusto ka niya. Okay? Pero hindi mo alam, matukoy kung ano yun. Yes. Gusto ka niya. Okay? Pero parang hinahang ka niya sa situation. Okay? And it's something na nagpapagulo sa isip mo. Naguguluhan ka. Confused ka sa pinapakita ng iyong person. Okay? For some of you. Some of you will be accepting suitors. Okay? May mga new options ka. Other options. And you will be moving forward. Okay? Be kind to yourself. Don't be too hard on yourself, Taurus. You need to forgive. You need to heal. Be honest sa iyong nararamdaman. You need to express it with your person. Kung ano yung concerns, anong problema, anong nakikita mo sa kanya. Okay? Let's see. Any more message for Taurus, please? Taurus. Oops. Merong manifesting miracles. Your dream is soon to become reality. Trust your heart and continue to follow its guidance. Power. You instinctively know what is right for you, and you have the power to say no or to walk away at any time. Okay. One more. If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind. For the heart is the gateway to the soul. Okay? So, these are the messages for you, Taurus. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I will see you on the next video. Bye!